mentioning this is not different. Shiva and Bhairavan and Bhairavi both are not separate. It is one actually. Sometimes Bhairavi is working as Shiva in the form of Shiva. Sanagadi Samaradhya Shivajnana Pradayini, who is giving the knowledge to Sanagadi Rishis in the form of Dakshinamurti Shiva, that is Devi, Shakti, because only Shakti can take figure. Shiva is figureless. But indicate the awareness level, Devi is taking the figure of Shiva and working. So we cannot say which is Shakti or Shiva actually. If we can come to melt our ego, I cannot understand which is right or wrong. Sit like a child, stand like a child without, in a fully ignorant way. The Shiva itself open his mouth in his 5 faces and start to talk to you about the supreme knowledge. For that we have to experience that much of gratitude or love and surrendering in front of Devi. Then only it will happen. So, to create, we can come to that level of surrendering, bhakti, love, with the Paramatma. Definitely it will open itself, the real secret of the universe or creation. We can experience that. We can understand the Paramartha of the Samsara Bhuta and Praninaya. These created the whole universe. That's the base of the reason of the universe. That is Paramartha, the base knowledge of the universe. We can experience through the 5 phases of the Shiva. If we go in a proper way through the Sri Vidya, in the mood of a research mentality, go through the Sri Vidya, we can experience everything. Because Shiva will teach you everything. The consciousness will stimulate and teach you everything. That is mentioning here by Parashurama. Actually, the Shakti, our body and imaginations, thought and body and everything is Shakti. The real consciousness is, awareness is Shiva. But we are looking only the energy, the figures and names. That's why he cannot experience the Shiva. Whenever we can experience something, the part of Shiva inside, then we will be knowledgeable. We will be aware. The stimulation of the Shiva Bodha is happening through 5 senses, not in thought process. We can meditate through the 5 senses. Naturally, the awareness will stimulate. The knowledge is coming through the senses, but we are thinking always about something, this or that, past or future. We are not in the senses of observation. If we can come to senses, be here and now, which Shiva will stimulate, we can start to experience the reason of the universe, our creation, everything. So, indirectly mentioning the whole knowledge is coming from our inside. The external things are supporting to stimulate our inside Vijnanamaya Kosha. If we correlate the things learning this book and our experience of past memory, we will connect, then immediately stimulating the knowledge. It is happening our inside. Means already it is there, but we cannot reach there. This book is just a reason to stimulate the Vijnanamaya Koshana. Already is there, the knowledge, it is stimulating. We discussed about that. Means DNA is coded in the egg of a hen and a duck. The child of the hen will come and stay on the bank of the river. But the duck will jump and start to swim. How the knowledge is getting the small chicken, how it is implanted before the birth inside, how she knows the knowledge. If I will run at it, I will die. How can understand? Means already the knowledge are implanted about the outer world of the duck. Also can swim for that density of the water. Like all science are already inside of the duck. When the time will come, it will stimulate and it will work. The knowledge is coming from the awareness, the inside, the Shiva. We can stop the mind and go to inside of the subconscious mind. We can connect with our awareness through the senses directly. The knowledge will start to stimulate. So Srividya is for that actually. Thank you. So in the second sloga, clearly discussing the all knowledge, the center of all knowledge is our inside, the awareness. That is the base of all experiences of this universe. So our inside is the center of the universe. Because I am watching the sun, I am watching the stars. If I am not there, I cannot watch. According to me, I am not caring others. My experience is my truth. Center of the universe, our inside. The inside is the base of my dream world. That is a separate world, because in dream I cannot bring this world, my wife or father or brother. We cannot bring to our dream world. So that is different. Naturally maybe it is coming. That is different world. The self I am experiencing. So the base of the inside dream world and this outer world of 12 hours, the base is the 24 hours of my subconscious level. There is awareness, consciousness, the Para Pataraga Shiva.